Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Ace Hardware. So let's dive in. Alright, so we're going to get started here with some Milwaukee options. You can see we have the little portable power supply here. Get to save 15 bucks on that one, so pretty good deal. Next we have batteries here. Get to save 60 bucks right there on that one, so a good deal. And some of these have been sold out, you can see right here on my store, but you can still get these deals, and I'll have some links for these down below as well. Another red hot buy, and for this right here, it says you'll need a card. Main thing you got to do is just up front check in and make sure you can get that card. You're just going to have to give them a little information, but you can get that card, and that's how you get a lot of these deals. Have on hammer drill here for $139, but you get to save 50 bucks off of that one right there, so another good deal. So a great option, especially if you don't have a hammer drill, great one to pick up. Got some drill bits here. You get to save $1 off of that one, so not a great option, but still solid right there. Another deal here, you get to save significant off of this Craftsman battery. Another deal for a Dremel, $6.50 off. Then we have the toolbox here for Milwaukee. You save 21 bucks, so not a bad deal for that one, especially if you are interested and going to grab one anyway. Good deal to check out there. Then we have some blades here, 16 bucks for some Sawzall blades. And we also have a couple more options for Milwaukee with some blades here, 29 bucks on that one, 54 for the bigger pack there. And some spade bits, get to save $1 off of that one. Then we have some more drill bits here for DeWalt, 40 bucks. Get to save 7 on that one, and then also 10 bucks off right here, but again, sold out at my store. More drill bits here for Milwaukee. Another 50 bucks off of this battery and charger. Again, 30 bucks off of this one here for DeWalt. And then another option here for some DeWalt batteries. We also have the little angle attachment here. You get to save 10 bucks on that one, and then more drill bits there. Get to save $3.50. Also have a nice little saw here. Get to save 30 bucks on that one. So again, if you need anything, DeWalt's a great brand as well. DeWalt and Milwaukee are both solid brands here. Then we have some Craftsman items. You can grab some of these wrench sets. Save 5 bucks on these. And then more setups here for whichever one you might need. And a couple more sets for these right here. So again, just depending on which one that you might need. And again, Craftsman is a great DIY brand. It's going to do a good job. It's going to last you a pretty good while as well. Have multiple Craftsman tools, and they have worked really well for me. So really just depending on which ones you need for right now. More little socket set, ratchet sets here. Again, down to 18 bucks for these little sets. Again, a great thing to keep at your house. Be able to do some small projects with those. Got a little sale on this one, 70 bucks. Gear Wrench is a really good brand, and they have some really cool items, so this is definitely a great find for that one. And then we also have the other Gear Wrench set right here, depending on, again, what size you might need. But 40 bucks for that, really good price. Milwaukee has some of, you see, of their little bolt cutter snips things right there. And then also some wrench deals here, 2 bucks right there for the Ace brand. Another setup right there. You get to save 3 bucks on some of these screwdrivers. A little special offer right here, another screwdriver set. Craftsman has their larger set right there. And just a reminder, I will have links for some of these items down below. You can check it out down there. Also, I have a weekly newsletter, so if you're interested, you could check that out where I send out the best deals of the week. And then also, if this video is helpful, feel free to like and subscribe so you never miss another deal. But we have a couple more Ace options right here for some blades. More blades right there for Milwaukee, 16 bucks. I have some of those. I need to do a review on them. Another knife right there for Milwaukee. And then even some tape measures. Then we get into some of the bird seed. I know some of you guys like grabbing this bird seed here when it's on sale, so you can see which ones are on sale right now. So again, if you're going to grab some of those, you got some bird watchers out there, you can check out some good deals. I mean, they have some pretty good options here at Ace. I know around the holidays, Ace really had some good deals. Some of the better deals right here, because when you kind of chain different things together with your card and the deals and every stuff like that, They had some really good deals, even better than some of the ones at like Home Depot and Lowe's. So you got to just kind of pay attention to those. More DeWalt items right here. You got the little knee pads and then also this belt tool bag. And we got some sprayers here. Again, this is the Ace version, but 16 bucks, not too bad for these. You can get some cheaper ones right now at Harbor Freight, but these are some good prices. A little preen with everything coming up. It's greening up where I live, so grab some of these. Top the weeds here. Spruce, another option for that one, down to 32 bucks. Then we see a couple more deals right here on some of this like ant killer and then also bug killers. Again, with spring just around the corner, we're going to see some good deals on these. So if you want to start getting your house and lawn prepped, these are some great things to check out. Pretty good prices on those. Got $1 off some of those and $3 off of the bigger bags there. And even some of the Ace brands, just the regular ant, roach, and spider killer. Check some of those out there. And $4 off of the wasp and winter killer. Probably something I always keep in my truck just because I really don't like wasps at all. Then we have some garden hoses, 28 bucks there. And we even have the weed and feed here for 77 bucks. You see a lot of this has actually been picked over. A lot of people are picking these up right now with the warmer weather. And then more options, again, depending on which one you might want, or even what size your lawn is as well. We got some more, southern lawn here and different stuff. Lawn fertilizer, 53 bucks. Again, knowing which one you might need. And more lawn fertilizer here for a little bit smaller bag. More hoses, some little pocket hoses. I got a couple of these around the house. Good things to kind of keep around. Whichever one you might need. This is a little bit larger one here, 50 bucks. And then we even have a couple of different landscape fabrics. So again, if you're going to be doing like a garden or any kind of thing like that, this is definitely something I recommend. Definitely going to help you later. Grub control. Don't think I've ever used this before, but $3 off of that one there. More weed and feed here, $29.99. And we even have some flashlights. Pretty good prices off of these. So again, depending on which brand you might like or which one you might need. I really like a headlamp. Milwaukee headlamps are good. 60 bucks for a headlamp. Does seem a little steep, but check that out one. And then we have some Craftsman ratchets here, or some sockets, excuse me. You can see all of these are in the clearance section, so should be similar things at your Ace. But see these right here, and some of these wrenches, and then more Craftsman items like those. So great setups for that one. They do have 25% off electric heaters. So again, you can see some of these heaters kind of warming up here, so not a great thing, but you can always grab it for next season. Great time to pick up some of these items like that. So again, depending on which one and what size you want, you can get 25% off, which is pretty good. And then I always love checking out these, I'd say like the little bins here. This is a $6 tool cell bin, but they have some good stuff in there, depending on what project you're doing or what item you might need. So different kind of chalk lines there, and they have all different type of tools. It's a great like DIY, area to look in because they have like some things you'll use once, which is really good. So if you're going to use something once, great thing to check out and save you a little bit of money. Same thing with this one, a little bit cheaper items, $3.50. You can see some of these right here. Little mechanical parts dish for mechanics. Always need some of those. More little blades and stuff there. Even some markers here and drywall saw. So just some stuff like that. Everything's going to be an off-brand, so it's not going to be the top-end brand, but DIY stuff. They even have a few batteries for sale, and these are the name brands instead of the ones kind of the other stores. You can see right here they have the blower 50% off. Or excuse me, this is the trimmer here. They'll show you the blower in just a minute, but trimmer there, 50 bucks off of that one. They even have some blowers, get 20 bucks off of that one. Another blower here, $40 off, a little bit smaller setup there. And then we also have the combo kit here, $2.50. And Ego is a really good brand. I need to do a review on their lawnmower. I have it. I just got to make sure I put it together, but it's a great little option for that one. And here is another little blower kit. So get a few bucks off of that one as well. So again, Ego is a great brand, great one to recommend there. Another blower I really like is this DeWalt blower here, $250. I've seen a lot of great things and reviews online. I've actually never tried that myself, but I've seen a lot of good things. Then we have some Craftsman options, little pruning saw and the blower. So again, get save 20 bucks off of both of those. And we have the lawnmower here, Craftsman down to $380. So these will be pretty high price right now because it is like cutting season. So if you're going to buy one, if you need one, go ahead and get you one. But if you can wait off until, you know, September, October, those are the best times to get them there. Still even has a couple of different deals. See, this save 30 bucks off of some of these, the batteries and the weed trimmers there, and then even the blower here. So again, you don't see a lot of deals on Stihl. It's a great brand and really does a really good job. I have a couple of them and they've done a really good job for me. Then we have some grilling items. You can see some of these chunks here. Again, it has the bulk saving, so if you buy 2 packs, that's the price you get right there. So again, just buying one, I don't think you get that price, but if you buy 2, you get the price. And then if you go with the bigger bags, they have a little bit better deals and a little bit better pricing. So depending on which one you need. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys plan on getting, or if you've used any of these, either whether it be pellets or grilling chunks, whichever one you use and which one you like the best. That would be helpful for me as well. I've tried a few of them, and I like them, but I'd love to know which ones are the best for you guys. You see all these different ones. If you're looking for a grilling channel, my buddy has one. It's really good. It's called Grill This, Smoke That, and it is a great channel. I have a link for it down below, and he really does some incredible stuff down there. You can check him out for more grilling items. And then we have just some outdoor tools. Great ones for, again, just getting started out there. And then we have some more charcoal here, $22.95, lump charcoal. There it is right there. So some of the bigger ones, again, good stuff for big green egg and those type stuff like that. So whichever one you might need. But overall, I think some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Ace. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. Also, check out my newsletter I send out each week with the best deals going on right now. And if this video is helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.